You've experienced abuse, and now you're questioning if you're ever going to find that earth-shattering, life-changing kind of love again. You know, that soulmate connection that you once felt with your abuser. Well, let's talk about it. First things first, it's important to recognize that the love that you had with your abuser was manufactured. It may have felt real to you, but let's dig deeper. Ask yourself, was it real to the narcissist? It wasn't. They manipulated and controlled you, crafting this facade of love that only served their own needs. Love isn't meant to be earth-shattering in a destructive way. It's meant to uplift you, support you, and make you grow as an individual. It's about being with someone who sees and accepts you for all you truly are, flaws and all. That kind of love is worth waiting for. And yes, it does exist. So how do you start questioning what you believe about love? It's a process and it takes time. Begin by examining your past relationship with an open mind. Reflect on the red flags, the inconsistencies, and the power imbalances. Educate yourself about healthy relationships and seek support from friends, family, therapists, or coaches who can guide you through this journey. Remember that you deserve a love that is real, authentic, and built on a foundation of mutual respect and care. Don't settle for anything less. It may take time, but trust me, it's out there and it's waiting for you.
Stronger than fear.